What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you a lot of technical details directly related to BABA. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, let me show you, at this very point, and I've told you that we had this symmetrical triangle, and definitely this consolidation phase usually happens in the fourth wave, and if it was the case, my main assumption was that we should hit some higher targets, and my main target was this previous swing high, and for now, as you can see, we are on our way to hit this range. And for now, we hit this previous swing high, and we might have some kind of pullback in order to collect some steam to hit even higher targets. But I will show you this in just several minutes, and for now, let's continue with this price action. So, I made a video about 2 videos ago, and at this very point, I've told you that we can accumulate our position because we reach one of the crucial range of support. It was this previous point, and definitely it was very meaningful for this asset, because it had a lot of downside pressure during these multiple sessions, and from this level it started to break this sloping channel, and it set up its first higher highs. And I have to say that this setup worked perfectly well, and from this range to our current price you might be up for a whopping 45%. And my recent call was that you can accumulate your position as an investor right here, and from this point you might be up to the current price for more than 27%. So guys, congratulations to all of you who took my call and who enter the position right here. And I didn't make any videos right here, but as you can see, I drew this line as the range of resistance, and you might know that everything that was a support becomes a resistance. And when we break these type of ranges, and when this breakout has a very meaningful volume, this means we might see the major trend continuation. And as you can see, this volume showed that we had a very good breakout above this range. Then, as in a textbook, we retested from the top as the support, and we went higher with increasing volume. This means this movement is very significant for this asset, and let me show you why it happened. So let me show you this article that was published on June the 8th on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled "Why did Alibaba shares rise almost 15% Wednesday? It's all in the games." And let me go to these bullets. Alibaba shares climbed almost 15% Wednesday as the Chinese internet giant benefited from signs that the Beijing government is taking new steps to support its tech sector after a year of crackdowns and regulatory influence. Early Wednesday, Chinese authorities approved another license for domestic video games, which gave investors enthusiasm about the business prospects for many of China's leading tech companies. It was the second round of new licenses this week, and came after China put a halt on such licenses last year in an effort to curtail the amount of time minors in the country was spending online. With Wednesday's gains, Alibaba shares ended the day at $111.62, their best close since February. And it is not the only company that benefited from this action. Along with BABA, other Chinese stocks flexed their muscles, with JD.com rising about 8%, Pinduoduo climbing nearly 10%, Baidu and ride-sharing leader Didi Global rising more than 12% on the day. And definitely this news might be very important for not only for Alibaba, but also for other tech giants in China. And all in all, it implies even higher potential for all of these companies, because on a bigger scale, if we zoom out to a weekly time frame, let me show it to you. And by the way, guys, before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, and I mentioned about it in my previous video, we had a harsh movement to the downside from the beginning of November 2020 basically till present day, and we don't have major retracements and we don't have major bounces to the upside. And 3 days ago I've told you that you can accumulate your investment position right here at this very point, at the price points of below $96, and from this range you might be very profitable in a matter of 12 to 18 months. And let me show you the indicators. As you can see right here, we had consistently higher lows on our side with the lower lows on the price action. And my main assumption was that we should have a bounce because of this bullish divergence. On top of that, let me show you right here that on a weekly time frame we had the highest volume ever for this asset, and this volume was the green volume with the movement to the upside. And I have to say that this price action is nothing else but the forming of new higher lows, and probably we might form a higher high. If this asset breaks the range of about $124, that was my main target for the medium-term perspective, definitely it will form higher highs as well, and this will be a major pivotal point for this asset, because a lot of institutional investors will enter their position with this major technical sign. So let me switch to daily time frame and let me show you this movement in details again. Right here, as you can see, we are extremely bullish. This means this trend might continue on a daily perspective, and we have very bullish, as you can see, movement with MACD indicator. This means BABA has a huge momentum to the upside. But if I switch to hourly time frame, right here, we are at the extremely overbought territory. This asset has on our side of the range of about 86.62 points. And this means in upcoming session we might see some kind of pullback in order to collect more steam to hit some higher targets, and definitely this range of resistance might act as the actual range of resistance. And if it is the case, we should see a pullback, or probably we might hit the next price target that I set in my previous video. It is $124, roughly this range, and then we will have a retracement. And if it happens on an hourly time frame, we might see lower highs on RSI, probably with the higher highs on the price action, and this will be a bearish divergence that shows that this asset might have some kind of pullback. And what should you do if you want to enter your position? Definitely, I don't suggest you to enter your swing trade position right here, your long swing trade position right here, because in a matter of next couple of sessions or in the next session, we will see the pullback. And this pullback will be the opportunity for you to re-enter your position in order to gain the profits for the next leg to the upside. But if you are a long-term investor, definitely you should wait until we will see the price action above or below this range, when we hit the previous major swing high at the price point of roughly $123.82. And when and if this asset breaks this range of resistance, definitely it will be major sign for you as a potential investor. But definitely you should wait for the retracement, and on a major retracement that will unload the entire structure from this swing low, we might re-enter the position as an investors, and this will give the more attractive average price for you to gain even more lucrative profits. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.